Hey guys, it's Claudia Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line donut. First, I'm going to go in with some tan paint in a medium size base coating brush, and I'm just going to paint the donut part. It's a really simple tutorial. After that, I'm going to go in with the color Dixie Belle Blue, and I'm going to paint the icing. And whenever I paint the icing, I'm just going to go over these sprinkles because it'll be easier to do that than try to paint around them. And again, this is a paint by line product, so all of these details are etched into the cutout, which makes it super easy to paint. After that, I'm going to go in with some different colors that I have chosen. They're all Dixie Belle colors. I'm going to use the color Lucky Lavender, Peacock, Peony, and Limeade to do the sprinkles. And I'm just kind of loosely doing the sprinkles. I'm not worried too much about staying inside the lines. I'll show you a close-up of that. Now I'm going to go in with a number 0 paintbrush in the color Manatee Gray, and I'm just going to highlight around the icing. After that, I'm going to wipe this brush off and use it again and go in with some black paint. And I'm going to do a little bit of detailing, but I'm not going to follow everything perfectly. I'm not doing a real precise outline with this. It's just kind of like a loose outline. I'm kind of just letting these lines that are etched in be a guideline and not following them too particularly. I'm using black because I really like the way it makes everything pop, but you could have gone without the black and just left it with the gray accents, and that would have looked good too. Again, I'm not doing this perfectly around these little sprinkles. I'm just kind of highlighting them to make them pop a little bit more. And then after that, I will be done. I will probably go in with the Rust-Oleum Clear Coat or either the Dixie Belle Satin Clear. And you can purchase all of these Dixie Belle colors on our website, buildacross.com. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to let us know what you think and have a great day.